Hi guys, welcome to our new auction campaign at 31 Curlew Drive in Capel Sound.
Thanks Adam. The Curran family designed and built this home 22 years ago, perfect for family living, with a great street frontage and a huge backyard. Let's go and take a look.
Thanks for having a look guys. I'm sure you agree it's a fantastic family home on a large block.
Certainly is, Adam. Open for inspections are every Saturday and the auction's on the 23rd of June. We look forward to seeing you there.